Are you trading US30, gold and GJ because that's what everyone else trades? If so, then you need to stop today, and I'm going to show you why. So, most people have this conception that because they see everyone trading US30, NAS 100, gold, GJ, that's what they should be trading too. And I'm here to tell you that's wrong. What you should be trading depends on what times you trade. Just because I might trade something at 3 in the afternoon doesn't mean that you can trade it at 9 PM at night or 7 AM in the morning. You should go through and have a look, and also some things don't suit everyone's style. Let's jump over to the charts and I'll show you what I mean. So moving to the charts, we can see GJ. Everyone on like the whole of trading YouTube loves trading GJ. Why? It's a mess. It's a mess. Why would you trade this? It's awful. It's terrible. Don't do it. Gold. If you're a beginner trader, why are you touching gold? Yes, okay, on the daily it looks relatively smooth, but the volume and the amount it costs to trade is enormous. Why would you trade it? And for everyone who sits and suddenly loves volatility, why would you go look at US30? If you're a beginning trader, you want to be playing with the least volatile pairs, not stepping up more and more and more. It's just going to make you lose quicker. So I'd like to offer a suggestion, and this could come out with very different ideology, and a lot of people might not like it, but I'm going to show you anyway. So this is an ATR. It's a open to use indicator, anyone can use it. I've just set the number to 1400. And because we're on the daily chart, it's showing you the average amount of movement per day on the daily chart. And you can see in this case, now for this on here it's displaying it as 428, but because most brokers use 2 decimal places, it's going to be 4,000 or 40,000. That's a lot of movement in a day, and although you could in theory stand to make a lot, you could stand to lose a lot, and that's the big problem. Now if we go to gold, same thing. For most brokers it's 2 decimal places, but the first decimal place is a full pip, so you're looking at 204 pips a day of daily movement. That's a lot. That can bite you, especially when you get more volatile days. Like look at this day here, that's even more. That's like almost 500-600 pips. If you're caught on the wrong way of that, you're going to hurt very quickly. And again, GJ. If we look at GJ isn't excessively volatile, but it's a mess. It is a sand snake. It goes like this through the sand completely illogically. You don't want to be trading that. You want to trade something easy. You're a beginner. You want to look at pairs with low volatility. And again, I'm going to look at, in this case, AUDUSD, and I'm going to get rid of all the lines that I drew in the previous video. AUDUSD has got 78 pips of movement per day average. But look at it. Look how smooth that is. It's a nice smooth swing. It's a nice smooth swing. It's a nice smooth swing, and then more. That's not something that's going to challenge you. That's going to get you learning to trade efficiently and easily without the volatility there to kill you. You need the time to adapt and learn, and that's what pairs like AUDNZD, or if you want something even slower, try this is AUDNZD, sorry, the last one was AUDUSD. AUDNZD is even slower and more careful. This is again 70 pips a day average, but it's trending for a lot longer in terms of its history. Or try CHF JPY. If you like the idea of trading a JPY pair, try CHF JPY. It's slower, it trends more. It's a much nicer pair to play with than GJ, which will bite you. Or if you want to trade a GBP pair, my favourite would be to pick GBP CAD. It wicks less than GJ, and it's often smoothest. So those are some suggestions, but really you also need to look at what time of the day you're trading. If you're someone who's trading during Asian session, go pick something with JPY in it, AUD in it, NZD in it, because that's when they're open. If you're trading New York session, pick something with USD in it, maybe even MXN if you want something volatile, but still not horrific. there are pairs there that are designed for your hours. And again, London, you've got all your GBP pairs, all your Euro pairs. You can find something that's going to, one, move smoothly. Smooth movement, especially during your session, is important. If you're someone who just trades off the daily, then pick any smooth moving pair and you'll be on a good stead. But if you're someone who trades off the hourly or 15-minute, go and pick something that starts moving at the right time of day for you. Like, this is GBP ORD, so if you're trading Asian session at 1 AM in the morning UTC, you've started your trend and you hit a nice move. You get to London session and it sits and consolidates. And in this case it moved off again in New York session. You can make it as easy as possible by just picking the right pair and not following the herd. Everyone is going to teach you the wrong thing, and everyone is completely different to you. You're the only one that trades at your time, and you're the only person that should be focused on yourself. Don't focus on how other people are trading.